London, a city where history meets modernity, where every corner tells a story. Today, we are diving into 10 incredible places you can explore for free. From iconic landmarks to vibrant markets, these spots let you soak in the magic of London without spending a single pound. Let's get started. Tower Bridge. The Tower Bridge is more than just a bridge, it's a symbol of London's heritage. As you walk across its majestic walkway, you'll be greeted with stunning views of the River Thames, a Tower of London, and London's ever evolving skyline. If you're lucky, you might even see the bridge's famous bascules lift to let tall ships pass through, an engineering spectacle that's been captivating visitors for over a century. The Big Ben and the House of Parliament. Standing proudly on the north bank of the Thames, Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament are the epitome of British grandeur. The clock tower, now officially called the Elizabeth Tower, gleams golden in the sunlight, while the Gothic architecture of the Parliament building stands as a testament to centuries of history. Stroll along the Westminster Bridge for the best views or sit by the river and watch the sunset over one of the London's most iconic landmarks. British Museum. The British Museum is full of amazing things around the world. There are pavilions for various countries around the world with artifacts featuring their history, culture, and tradition. You can see the Rosetta Stone, ancient Egyptian mummies, and the statues from Greece. There is also a big glass roof in the middle that looks amazing. And yes, it's all free to visit. You can't visit London without seeing the Buckingham Palace, home to the King of Britain. Walk along the Mall, the grand road that leads to the palace, and take in the beautiful golden gates and detailed architecture. If you are lucky with timing, you can watch the changing of the guard, a traditional ceremony with music and marching soldiers. Take a photo or just enjoy the royal feel all around you. St. James Park. Tucked behind Buckingham Palace is St. James Park, one of London's most picturesque green spaces. This tranquil haven is perfect for a leisurely stroll or a quiet moment by the lake, where ducks, swans, and even pelicans swim gracefully. Sit on a bench with a view of the Blue Bridge, and you will catch a perfect frame of the London Eye, framed by the trees. It's a peaceful escape from the city's buzz. Welcome to Camden Market, where London's creativity and diversity collide. Wander through its labyrinth of stalls selling handmade crafts, vintage clothes, and unique art pieces. The air is filled with the aroma of street food from around the globe, and the vibrant energy of performers and musicians make every visit feel like a celebration. Even if you are not here to shop, Camden's lively atmosphere is an experience in itself. The Natural History Museum showcases everything from ancient fossils to sparkling gemstones. Step into the museum and you are greeted by the awe-inspiring Hinds Hall with a giant blue whale skeleton suspended from the ceiling. Stand beside life-size dinosaur skeletons or explore exhibits that uncover the secrets of our planet's evolution. The choice is yours. Piccadilly Circus, a bustling hub in the heart of London, is where the city's vibrant energy comes alive. Known for its massive LED screens and iconic Shaftesbury Memorial Fountain, this spot is perfect for people watching. Pause to take in the surrounding theatres, shops, and historic buildings and feel the pulse of London's nightlife as the area comes alive after dark. So basically, it is a small slice of the city's electric spirit. Borough Market is one of the London's oldest and most loved food markets. Here you will find fresh fruits, colorful vegetables, handmade chocolates, baked bread, and dishes from all around the world. The smells, the colors, and the busy chatter make it a feast for the senses. Many stalls even offer free samples you can taste before you buy. Whether you are hungry or just curious, this market is a must visit for the food lovers.
Wow.
ഞാനൊന്നും കാണരുത്. ചോക്ലേറ്റ് ഇട്ടില്ല.
Last on our list is the Royal Horse Guard Parade, a place steeped in history and tradition. Watch the changing of guard ceremony where soldiers in their immaculate uniforms and plumed helmet move with precision. Take a moment to admire the grand parade grounds framed by stately buildings that have witnessed centuries of royal pageantry. It's a glimpse into the pomp and the ceremony that defines London's character. At the Royal Horse Guard Parade, you can watch soldiers in striking uniforms and shiny helmets riding majestic horses. It's a place where London's history comes to life right in front of you. London is a city that never stops giving, whether it's its history, culture, or natural beauty. There is something for everyone to discover. And the best part? So much of it is free. So, which of these incredible spots will you visit first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys through the world's most captivating cities. Masalama!